Go ahead.
This meeting is being recorded.
ARS टॉक के एक और एपिसोड में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। दोस्तों, जब कभी आपने कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया होगा, उस टाइम पे आपने डेफिनेटली अपने करियर के बारे में सोचा होगा। आपके कुछ डिजायर्स होंगे कि इस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड के अंदर मुझे अपना करियर परस्यू करना है, और उसी के साथ साथ उस करियर को अचीव करने के लिए आपको किस कॉलेज से अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करना है, कौन से स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड होंगे और आगे चल के अपने लाइफ को किस वे में स्पेंड करना है, इस सब चीजों के बारे में हम अपने कॉलेज लाइफ में सोचा करते हैं। पर उसी के साथ हमारे माइंड में ढेर सारे कंफ्यूजन भी होते हैं कि क्या ये करियर मेरे लाइफ के लिए अच्छा होगा, क्या इसके अंदर मुझे इनफ सैलरी मिलेगी, मैं ढेर सारा पैसा कमा पाऊंगा या नहीं, और किस तरह से मैं अपनी लाइफ स्पेंड कर पाऊंगा। आज इस इंटरव्यू के अंदर हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं और एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं इसी तरह के डिफरेंट करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन इंडिया एज वेल एज आउटसाइड इंडिया। तो दोस्तों, इस डिस्कशन को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मेरी चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड एंड माय क्लासमेट अस्मिता मस्के। सो अस्मिता, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका हमारे इस टॉक शो पर।
Thank you so much, Harshad, for inviting me, and I'm very happy to have this conversation with you.
सो दोस्तों, मैं आपके साथ अस्मिता का एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन शेयर करता हूँ। अस्मिता ने इंडिया से पेट्रोकेमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में अपना बीटेक कंप्लीट किया। उसके बाद इंडिया में मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज के अंदर उन्होंने जॉब किया, and right now she is working in Air Liquide ENC at Krakow, Poland. So Asmita is a worthy person जो हमारे साथ अपने एक्सपीरियंस के थ्रू अलग अलग करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज के बारे में डिस्कस कर सकती हैं। सो अस्मिता, मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि मोस्टली जब हम इंजीनियरिंग की फैकल्टी चूज करते हैं, उस टाइम पे हमारा कॉमन इंटरेस्ट या आइदर आईटी सेक्टर होता है या मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग या इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, मगर केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग को कंपैरेटिवली काफी कम स्टूडेंट एक इंटरेस्ट दिखाते हैं या काफी कम स्टूडेंट इसके अंदर एनरोल होते हैं। तो आपने इन ब्रांचेस के अलावा पेट्रोकेमिकल इंजीनियरिंग को क्यों चूज किया?
ओके, मेरे चाइल्डहुड से, एज यू नो, सिंस वी आर चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स, इसमें हमारे एक प्रोफेसर, हमारे एक टीचर थे, मिस्टर एमपी वाघमारे. सो ही ऑलवेज हैड a huge impact on our childhood days and with his philosophies.
Definitely.
So I'm sure that all of our friends, all of my classmates must be having a little bit impact of him on them. So मेरे ऊपर भी उनका काफी impact रहा है, and he always used to say us, and he always used to give us some philosophies of life, and he used to share his own personal experiences while other than teaching.
Yes,
so which was very helpful and thoughtful thing during those childhood days. I had this impact of him on me is I always wanted to do something different. So he always used to tell us, औरों में और मुझ में कुछ ना कुछ तो फर्क होना चाहिए. If अगर मैं औरों जैसा निकला तो क्या? And I always had this thing, it was so imprinted in my mind. It becomes a motto of my life, or maybe you can say I started doing things differently. So when I completed my 12th graduation, I searched for good career options in different fields. So during my 12th, I had electronics engineering, and I understood that it's not for me. I am not so interested into electronics and this. So the next thing I have on my mind was I like maths, I like chemistry. Okay. I thought, okay, let's explore the option. What are the options? So I looked for the option, and there were chemical engineering, there were petrochemical engineering, there were oil and gas and so many things. Then I come to know that there are very few colleges who are offering this petrochemical engineering and chemical engineering. So in the ocean of IT and electronics and all other branches, there are very few people who are going for this. And of course, I would like to make a difference. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I opted for chemical engineering. So in India, I checked for the salary slabs of chemical engineer, and then I come to know it's one of a very good profession. Even though it is in India, in abroad also it has a very good value. And for your information, I would like to tell you, in US, the highest paid salaries is for chemical engineers and petrochemical engineers.
Oh, is it?
And so I was so fascinated with the career option. And yeah, so this career option was giving me opportunity to make a difference as a girl also, and also a different career option and a good money, maybe a good salary and good lifestyle, a good living. So that's why I choose. And also there is one more reason I would like to tell you.
Okay.
Since the chemistry was my favorite subject, somehow I ended up scoring a very low marks in chemistry
Okay. Okay.
in my 12th entrance examination. So I took it as a challenge. Okay, I will convert this into my profession. I will make and I will excel it into. So that's how I took up as a challenge and I made it as a chemical engineer or petrochemical engineer.
Okay. And as you all can see, you're doing excellent in your work, in your profession.
Yeah, you can say that.
Yeah. So, तुम अपने जर्नी के बारे में थोड़ा सा और इलेबोरेट कर सकती हो, लाइक राइट आफ्टर योर इंजीनियरिंग कहाँ पे आपने जॉब
Mhm.
किया, उसके बाद पोलैंड तक ये सफर कैसे रहा, राइट, लाइक राइट नाउ यू आर वर्किंग इन यूरोप, तो ये पूरा सफर
Yes.
आपका कैसा रहा, इस जर्नी के बारे में थोड़ा और एक्सप्लेन कर सकती हो?
Yeah. So it was like as I already told you, the chemical engineering it's a very rare thing, and people on top of that, when you are a girl, it's very difficult for you to get into the core field job because this job requires a lot of site work and all other activities.
Yeah.
So for us, when I have done my petrochemical engineering from Dr. Vatu. So there was no campus in our college during that year,
Okay.
and so many of my friends chose for IT and they went for IT and computer science. So I thought, no, if I have learned, I have invested my 4 years of engineering and I really want to go for core. So I looked for some private jobs. Then I got an opportunity in a company named Phoenix Process Technologies.
Okay.
So I joined as a junior process engineer there. And from there, my journey starts. And
So it's
I
not
work,
basically, it's not MNC, it's not a multinational company. यानी हम सब
no,
हर कोई मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी के लिए लुक आउट करता है राइट आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन, सो दैट्स नॉट अ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी. ओके.
yes, true. So I started my career with a small scale organization. Unlike that, if I go back in time, I was also hoping for, yeah, if I should get into multinational or something like that. That was there in my mind during that time. But if I look back and see my journey, I think, see, whatever happens for a good reason. I believe
Yeah,
that. So
बिल्कुल.
I took that opportunity and I learned a lot it was a very small scale organization, and in a small scale organization you need to do a lot of work and you need to be multitasking at the same time, so you get to know n number of things. If you were an so here is a difference. Yeah, if you are in MNC, you will be given a particular work and you will be doing the same work for
Right.
rest of the year. So
Right.
you don't have that exposure of multitasking activities and multitasking field. So here my career got a very good exposure technically and I got a very good knowledge, though even though it is a very small scale organization. Then
Okay.
for better exposure, I switched to, since I am into chemical and so many oil and gas and chemical companies are located in Mumbai and Gujarat. So I shifted to Bombay and I worked in Bombay for 5 years at Economy Process Solutions. Uh, then again, it was a very good company and people were very good, and I got a very huge exposure. I met so many clients. I developed my skills in all the fields, and I was looking for a change because, of course, 5 years at a company, okay, considering we as a millennial generation, of
Yeah.
course, it's not possible that we will spend, 10 years or 15 years at a
Yes, yes, in
particular
the same
company.
work.
So there was no any fault of company. They were paying me very good. Everything was well, but I was in totally in my comfort zone. So
Yeah.
I was like, okay, so now I have taken enough of experiences from small scale organization. I know how to handle people. I know multitasking. I know things in small scale organization. Now I want to explore this part of organization called MNC. So yeah, so I was looking for a job to switch, and suddenly I got few opportunities from MNC in India, and this opportunity strikes in from Europe. So basically, I got two opportunities from Europe, out of which I
I would
chose.
like to mention one thing over here कि
Yeah.
मोस्टली जब हम ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करते हैं उस टाइम पे हमारे माइंडसेट में यही होता है कि अगर आपको यूरोप या इंडिया के बाहर कहीं जॉब करना है, सो आपको एमएस करना रिक्वायर्ड है उस टाइम पे, यानी एमएस इट्स अ मैंडेटरी. तो आपने एमएस तो नहीं किया, एम आई राइट?
Correct.
तो हम इस तरह से भी नए नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज को सर्च कर सकते हैं विदाउट डूइंग एमएस.
Yeah. So basically, there are opportunities in the market. You need to have a right view to look at it. First thing, you need to have a right guidance to look at it. And secondly, आपके पास एक आपका knowledge base होना चाहिए, आपका खुद का experience होना चाहिए. If you have that good experience with yourself and you can prove your caliber, any opportunity is good.
Okay.
You don't require a degree to back it up. If you have a knowledge, of course, a degree is essential in some cases. If you want to do a research, if you want to go deep in R&D
Yes.
and the PhD and the things, of course, it is very important. But if you have an interest and passion about your field, and if you have that knowledge with the time, yeah, of course, you can go for it. So so the master, I would recommend the people who really want to do masters and they do want to go in deep and learn more and more, they are definitely welcome to do so. But there are people who have enough of experience, like 7 years, 8 years, and they are very passionate about what they do. So guys, there is a market out there. You can go and search the jobs, and jobs are available, and you can get it. It's not that big deal that yes, I don't have masters from some university, I don't have degree from particular college, or but you have experience. Even it doesn't matter that whether you are from a small scale organization, whether you are from some other organization. What matter is what kind of knowledge you have. If you are good at what you do, definitely there is a company there, they are ready to hire you.
Right.
So
बेसिकली आपने अलग अलग फील्ड के अंदर करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज को एक्सप्लोर किया है. सो क्या आप इसके बारे में और डिटेल में हमारे व्यूअर्स को एक्सप्लेन कर सकती हैं कि विच आर द डिफरेंट करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज?
Yeah, sure. So in India, there are very good career opportunities with chemical engineering and petrochemical engineering. और ये सारी chemical, petrochemical जो भी core branches है, all of them are aligned.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can go for, if you are pursuing petrochemical engineering, then you can go for a different fields. Maybe you can work into industry, you can work into manufacturing industry, pharmaceutical, and many more, even oil and gas. So India mein there are opportunities you can go through. Even teaching is also a good profession when you are completing masters and you are doing engineering. If you are good at teaching, you can go for teaching as well in the field. So related to core branches, we have very good opportunities in India by government, also by private sector organization, and PSU, public sector organizations are also there, like IOCL, GAIL, ONGC, all of them. So they recruit chemical engineers, petrochemical, and all allied branches equally.
Right.
So when it comes to abroad opportunities, abroad also they आपको कौन से कंट्री में जाना है, you need to target that particular country first. Secondly, if you are open for multiple market, like if you are open for the complete Europe, then you need to make a very good CV, a very good profile of yours with the number of certifications. See, opportunity can knock your door anytime. All you need to be is ready for it. So make yourself worthy of an opportunity. Do some certifications. Keep yourself ready. So, or you can approach to the companies through LinkedIn. There are some multiple portals where you can get exposure of worldwide companies. Like LinkedIn is there. LinkedIn is also a very good tool. Then Glassdoor is there. If you are targeting a particular country, let's say if I'm talking about Poland, there is a particular app for Poland, like Pracuj. Okay. So through that app, you can target the n number of opportunities. And frankly speaking, guys, Europe, if you can see the population of Europe, including the most progressive country called Germany, इनका जो population है, half of the population is getting retired in next 2-3 years. So there will be a very huge requirement of human resources and skilled laborers and skilled workers, skilled professionals. So all you need to is ready with all the knowledge and the certifications you have, and the door is open for you, because they are going to hire so many people from all across the world. So right now also you can check, there are so many opportunities available. अगर आप जर्मनी को टारगेट करना चाहते हो या कोई भी और दूसरी यूरोपियन कंट्री टारगेट करना चाहते हो, तो in that case all you need to learn the language, because the economy, progressive economy like Germany, they require a language skill. So you need to have a German language skill of B2. So ये चीजें you can learn the German in your free time when you are in India. In Poland, it's very liberal. Here, we don't require any language barriers. So we
Okay.
are very good with English. If you're good with English, yeah, this is the place. And they're hiring and they're outsourcing people from all across the world. So it doesn't matter where you are from India. If you have a qualification, if you have a knowledge, you have a job here.
Okay.
And they are paying you very well. So also there is one more aspect to this, like here the career opportunities are very fascinating. The reason is, first, you will get a very good salary. Secondly, there is a work life balance you will get here. So the kind of work life balance is here, you will not get that in India. We have 9 to 5 jobs in India, but still you will get a call after 5 p.m. People will call you, people will tell you to do the work at 9 p.m., 10 p.m., or even on weekends.
Right.
Here there is a rule. It's 9 to 5 p.m. It's a very disciplined life. Nobody is going to call you, nobody is going to disturb you on your weekend, nobody is going to tell you to do the work. You are aligned, and if you are assigned to a particular work, you have to do that much only in your capabilities.
Right.
So the work life, and you can get enough and plenty of time to spend with your family. So you don't feel like you need a lockdown to spend a time with your family. You don't need a lockdown to spend time with your family. Already you might be having enough time with this career opportunity. But also there are some, everything has its pros and cons. So there are also some cons to this. There you might face some cultural shocks around, you might face some difficulties in your work life, you might face some difficulties to adjust to the environment, to the weather condition. And secondly, you are away from family, and the food we miss here, the Indian food we miss a lot here, which is definitely readily not available. Yeah, so these are some sacrifices you need to do if you want to have this particular thing in your life. So you have to choose whether you are mentally strong, whether you are able to take it or not. If you are mentally strong and if you are ready for the challenges, just go for it. And it's just that. So anytime the opportunity will strike, make sure you are ready to take that opportunity and grab it and just go for it.
Yeah, right. So Asmita, before we wrap it up, क्या आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को कुछ मैसेज दे सकते हैं जो उनके लिए एजुकेशन के साथ साथ इन करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज को एक्सप्लोर करने में बेनिफिशियल साबित हो?
Yeah, sure, Harshad. Why not? Yeah. So the first thing I would like to tell you guys कि हमें भी, since we are exploring this career opportunity from after 12th or something like that, तो हमारे दिमाग में हमेशा एक होता है कि no, we have to do, if I would have done engineering from this particular college, if I would have done my master from this particular college, I would be at some good level in my life, or maybe I might be earning much and this and that. So these are our expectations. Yeah. So I would like to tell you, it doesn't matter from where you are learning and how you are learning. It's just a tag name. With time, it might help you to get a good job, but ultimately after some time के बाद it has nothing to do with. So अगर तुम किसी भी normal college से, and even though if you are passing out from some local college, and if you have that caliber or potential है, you can achieve anything in your life.
Yeah.
It's just that it's a matter of passion. So whatever you do, put your passion into it. The only thing required is what you want, what are your desires, and how passionate you are to complete them. That's it.
Yeah, bilkul.
We don't learn wisely, we learn with pain. Why it is? Because if somebody is telling us this experience, somebody is telling us the experience of theirs, and this thing is not good, still we want to do it, and we do it, and we take the pain, and we feel it. Oh, he was telling right. So learn wisely. If somebody is telling you that is not right, if it is coming from his experience, give some value to that particular experience. And guys, experience will teach you a lot. Experience is the only thing that will teach you how to survive in any situation. So take n number of experience. Go on a trip, maybe a solo trip, meet new people, learn from new people, and explore what other people have to tell you. Explore their experiences, learn from their experiences, and implement it in your life. So this will make you a mature person. keep your passion with yourself, keep your experience with yourself, and grow in your life and excel in your life. Research about what that career can give you, what that career can make you as a person, and go for it. That's it.
All right.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Harshad.
थैंक यू सो मच अस्मिता फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस, और आपने जो कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, क्योंकि देखो नॉलेज तो देने वाले कई सारे लोग हमें वैसे भी मिल जाते हैं, बट जो एक्चुअली उस प्रोसेस से गुजर चुका है, जिसने वो सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया है, उनसे ये सब चीजें सुनना, दैट्स ऑन डिफरेंट लेवल. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग टाइम फॉर आवर चैनल, फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू, एंड आई होप के हमारे सारे व्यूवर्स को तुम्हारी सारी बताई बातें काफी इंपॉर्टेंट लगेगी और उनको अपने करियर में कुछ ना कुछ इसका बेनिफिट जरूर होगा. सो गाइज, अगर आपको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन अच्छी लगती है, हमारा ये इनिशिएटिव अच्छा लगता है, तो हमें अपना सपोर्ट देना ना भूलिएगा. आप अपना सपोर्ट हमें दे सकते हैं इस वीडियो को लाइक करके. आपको और किन टॉपिक्स पर वीडियो देखने हैं ये भी आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. एंड मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, ताकि इसी तरह के टेक्निकल और मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस का आप यहाँ पर मजा ले सके. वंस अगेन, दिस इज अर्शद सैयद, विथ मी टुडे अस्मिता मस्के. You're watching ARS Talks only on ARS Infotech.